Too many notes to take while in class? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Plaud Note, which is the world's first AI voice recorder. That's right, this thing can record your voice and automatically transcribe it, and it has its own app to give you additional information on the things that you're saying. You can ask it questions. It's just genius. Record, transcribe, summarize. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at the Plaud Note. Record, transcribe, summarize, the world's number one AI voice recorder. It looks like they've won lots of awards here. Packaging looks great. This feels really nice. Got a bunch of different languages and stuff on the back. Well, let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this documentation. It looks like we've got a little welcome card right here. It shows you where to get the app and get that downloaded and started. Some information on the product itself, such as where certain things are. Looks like we have our safety and warranty guide as well. Looks like some USB cables are included. We got a USB-C cable right here to the charger plug. So looks like you'll just run this on the bottom of it or on the back of it and it'll charge it right up. Looks like we've got a travel case right here and potentially a magnet. Very, very nice that this is included. So you should be able to just throw this magnet on the back of your phone if you don't have a magnetic case, and then the Plaud Note will just magnetize into the back of your phone. As you can see, there is a magnet on the back of this travel case right here. Very nice. And finally, what you came for, the Plaud Note. This thing looks awesome. Very, very thin profile right here. Amazing how thin this is. It's like literally just maybe like 2 credit cards in thickness. Looks like we've got our little charging slate right here. And just to show you an example of what that looks like, it just magnetizes in and charges your device. Looks like we've got a little power button right here and then the ability to switch it into different modes. From what I gather, there is a mode that is for pretty much capturing the ambience around you, and then there's a mode also for when it is stuck to the back of your phone and capturing what is being said on the phone in real time. So very nice. Just to show you what this looks like right here, just slides into this case and you're good to go. Still available on the back and for charging, but nice and protected right here. And you can just magnetize this right on the back of your phone. Well, let's go ahead and test it out. Come on.
This is the Plaud AI Smart Voice Recorder and Note Taker. Some of the key features are it's powered by the Plaud Intelligence Advanced AI Transcription and Summarization developed with GPT 4.1, 03-Mini, and Claude Sonnet 4, plus Gemini 2.5 Pro, and more. Featuring multiple professional templates for various use cases and supports for 112 transcription languages. With dual mode recording, there's one press meetings and calls captured, long-lasting recording power, 30 hours of continuous recording or 60 days of standby, with 64 gigabytes of storage and unlimited cloud storage, so you can boost that productivity and never lose data. With dual mode recording, you can capture every detail effortlessly with Plaud Note integrating phone call and on-site recording modes. That's phone call recording, so it attaches to the smartphone through the magnetic case to record, and on-site recording, so it captures ambient sound, perfect for recording in-person interactions. Some of the various use cases are the effortless call recordings that never slip through. Never struggle to recall a crucial detail again. Plaud Note records and transcribes calls instantly, leaving you free to engage fully in the conversation. Through, you'll never struggle to recall a crucial detail. And with meetings, you can stop taking notes and start leading the meetings yourself. Engage fully in the discussion while Plaud Note captures, summarizes, and visualizes key decisions, next steps, and insights for you. Stop taking notes and start leading those meetings. With interviews, you can make eye contact and not take notes. Stay completely present in every conversation while Plaud Note delivers professionally formatted interview notes and key takeaways. When it comes to lectures, your attention belongs to learning and not to note taking, so you can finally absorb knowledge without distraction. Plaud Note takes structured notes and creates visual summaries for better understanding. With those voice memos, you can speak ideas now and find them forever. With world-class design, you'll receive a seamless experience. With the MagSafe, it's compatible. It's ultralight at 1.04 ounces. It's got 60 days of standby mode. It is ultra slim at 0.117 inches. It's got 30 hours of continuous recording, 64 gigabytes of local memory, and did I mention that it's got the Plaud Intelligence? Plaud Intelligence is developed on leading AI models. As I mentioned before, that's GPT 4.1, 03 Mini, Claude 3.7, Sonnet, and Gemini 2.5 Pro. So this thing has got everything you need. The app is amazing. It's going to summarize and capture everything. You'll be able to ask it questions and get data from it. You'll be able to search up things that you have mentioned before by keywords. This thing is going to change the game of how you attend meetings and how you attend course lectures. Plaud AI, this thing is awesome. Great job.
This is our first time working with Plaud, and I gotta say, this thing is just another example of how we're living in the future and all the really awesome tech that exists now. Being able to use AI to capture your notes and then summarize them is just something I wish I had while in college. We want to give a huge shout out to Plaud AI for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.